So now you might be wondering why we should save animals. Why animals should be our heritage? Why is there important? What is the importance of animals and plants? You see, healthy ecosystems depend on plants and animal species as their foundations. When a species becomes endangered, it is a sign that the ecosystem is slowly falling apart. Each species that is lost triggers a loss of other species within its ecosystem. And us humans, depend on healthy ecosystems to purify our environment. Let me give you an example. You see, a while ago, in like 2011, something like that, um, wolves in Yellowstone National Park were killed. Okay, all of them were killed and they were made extinct. Now, what happened? Since there was nothing to prey on the deer, the elk, and the moose, they started overgrazing. They ate all the plants. That meant plants were reduced. There were less plants. Oxygen was reduced, and soon the ecosystem all completely crumbled. It was only stopped when wolves were brought in again. So you can see now why it's so dangerous. And many animals have been killed. So that is why we should prevent poaching and hunting at all costs. Otherwise, we might end up extinct. So thanks everyone for watching. Do remember to subscribe, like, and share this channel. And see y'all in the next one. Bye.